sheet and glue.
I love glue guns. I think glues are awesome.
Oh, you...
Yeah, I know glue are not cool.
Yep.
It's not cool.
Fold it like here. Left. Now we're gonna cut it in half. Take these two like this. Now, I'm gonna just dig it on right here. Oh, thank you, Spiky. So we're gonna just open this like this. Now, just glue it. Spiky. I love you, Spiky.
Oh, yeah, I love glue.
Ah. We're gonna sticky little glue. Sticky glue. Now, speed up. Oh, it's so much fun. Woo! Tie it. Now we're gonna tie it with a ribbon like a bow.
Wow, like punky wearing a belt.
Yep, but fun. Wait a minute. This bow reminds me of Punky. Punky.
Oh, yeah, punky. Yeah. I know it's funny. He was afraid. He saw a big...
Afraid?
Yeah. Like I said, he saw a big jungle moose and he was hiding in a closet. I'm sure it's like he is hiding in a closet. And
Hiding?
look like this. You know, he brought a moose picture and that moose face looked like he said he shoot lasers.
Really? But it is not true.
Yeah, Ben, this is the big jungle moose. The awesome guy who shoots lasers and this is that this Inayah and this punky. So bad.
Now I know I'm right. I'm super right. I told you I'm right. I'm always right. I'm gonna tie it with a ribbon like a bow.
Wow, like punky wearing a belt, right?
Yep, but Punky's gonna put glue like this. Well, like this. Like this. And other way. Other side. Okay. Now the other side. Now let's see. It's the trick to see it like this. Press like here and same on this side. It's done! Look! It's a fan circle. Like this. Ta-da! Ta-da! Our doggy's ready!